Yo guys, today I'm going to show you the easiest skull edit tutorial. First cut, then freeze the parts you want to start the skull edit. You can download images I use in the video in the description below, and also a free template. Now adjust the clip to match the audio beat drop. Now we are going to go to adjustment. Now follow what I do. Go back to basic. Now we overlay the skull image on the frozen clip. Go to cutout and click on chroma key. Click on this tiny pen icon that selects the green background. Put strength to 100 and position the skull at the bottom. And now add the black background. Make sure the skull image is on top of the black background. Now go to mask. Click on circle, then follow what I do. Now we have a perfect shadow with our skull. Go to effects. You will need these effects. Now follow what I do.